After I learned this recipe, I only make salads like that. On a board, grate half a carrot. Carrots give it a special touch, don't you think? Now, cut a unit of purple onion. It will bring a vibrant color and a distinctive flavor to our salad. Also grate a quarter of a unit of cabbage. It will add crispness and much freshness to the dish. Then cut a tomato unit. The tomato brings juiciness and a perfect contrast. Soon after, pour the grated cabbage into a glass bowl and add the chopped onion, carrot and tomato. Pour hot water until it covers, mix well and set aside for a minute. This will make the ingredients softer and tastier. With the help of a colander, remove all the water and highlight the ingredients. Now they are ready to shine in our salad. Now, transfer the ingredients to a platter. Look at this combination of colors, how beautiful. In a bowl, add 120 milliliters of natural yogurt, a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of olive oil, 50 g of cream, salt to taste, pepper and oregano to taste. Mix everything very well. This creaminess will make our salad even more irresistible. Now, pour the cream over the salad and mix. The combination of flavors will surprise you. And here it is. Our most creamy and sensational salad you've ever seen. It's an explosion of flavors and textures. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. See you next time.